Ich möchte heute so herzlich willkommen heißen. Und ich bitte euch einfach jetzt mal Platz zu nehmen. Erstmal, dass wir uns hinsetzen. Ndị Kwara Wayo, biko, ka anyị were ọjọọ. Ndị Kwara Saịd, ka anyị were ọjọọ. Ka anyị bido. For those who don't understand the place, can we just find accommodation somewhere? Thank you. You want to have a okay. I need to know you. I thought we come back to the Malandi and Melania while we carry on the area. Charlie, are you okay?